Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward tutorial on how to withdraw BNB from Kraken to your Tangem wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to securely move your assets, and this step-by-step guide will make it simple and stress-free. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your Kraken account set up and verified. Log in to your Kraken dashboard. That's the secure gateway to your funds. Once you're in, navigate to the Withdraw or Funding section, usually found in the top menu or sidebar. It's that easy. Next, select BNB as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Kraken supports a bunch of assets, so double-check you're picking the right one, BNB, not something like BTC. Now, here's the crucial part. Enter your Tangem wallet address. If you haven't already, open your Tangem wallet app or device to find and copy the exact address. Remember, crypto addresses are case-sensitive, so no typos allowed. After that, specify the amount of BNB you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and network fees. In 2025, these might have changed, so keep an eye on Kraken's updated fees. Review all the details on the confirmation page, including the destination address and total cost. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for extra security. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a few hours to process, depending on network congestion. Head over to your Tangem wallet to verify the deposit. You'll see your BNB arrive once it's confirmed on the blockchain. Awesome job! A quick tip: always use hardware wallets like Tangem for better security, and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, Kraken's support is usually helpful. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below. See you next time.